gonna see the process. So guys, before we start, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, support your girl, and like, share, and make me grow. So guys, let's get into our tomato farm. Yes, our tomato farm. Our tomatoes are doing great, guys. They are doing very good. So guys, our farm here, we have planted our tomatoes in portions. In portions as in, there are some tomatoes which are big, others are smaller. They are 4 portions. We're gonna see together. So guys, here is the first portion. You can see our tomatoes are doing great. See guys, look at this. They have started to make some fruits. They have started to make some fruits. Look. These are fruits. You can see them. So we are almost there. It's almost the second month. That is almost 60 days. I told you for them to be complete, to be harvested, they takes 90 days. So guys, you see, they are supported, they are growing, they are glowing as well. So guys, there we go. We are still continuing to support them. We are supporting them. You can see that is one portion up to there, down there. This is another portion. It's not cleaned well. The other portion, this one needs spacing because you can see they are not well. Look, you can see the spacing is poor. The spacing is poor here. We're gonna do spacing after we do there. Yes. This is somehow bigger. Yes, the other portion is here. They are still small. So guys, isn't it got cucumber? So guys, there is a greenhouse here. Let's see inside. Oh, we planted cucumber. Don't know if it is open. Let's see. Let's move together and see if yes, it's open. Yes, it's cucumber here. It never disappoints, guys. Cucumber Ashley, it's got it's the Ashley type cucumber. It's very nice. I once planted them. They didn't disappoint me. So they are still, I think they are 1 week old. They are 1 week old. This one takes only 1 month. 1 month, that is 30 days to be harvested. They grow very fast. Yes, I think it's two greenhouses for the cucumber. The other one is down there. Let's go and have a look at it, guys. The tomatoes here are still small. Let's go and see the other greenhouse. And the other greenhouses are there. They have capsicum. We are still going there, guys. The farm is so big. If you start walking, you're gonna tire. So let's move together. I don't know if this one is open as well. Yes. Yes, it is. They are here. The same size as the other greenhouse. 1 week old. They are growing well. Cucumber never disappoints. So guys, you see, that's the second greenhouse. Let's move together. Let's move together. Yeah. At the end of the tomatoes, I've planted the yellow maize. The yellow maize, they are very nutritious. I don't know if you have seen it. The yellow maize. Yes, that's it. It's still young. Let's move to the other greenhouse to see how our capsicum is doing. Here is the farm of tomatoes. See, we are still supporting. Let's see. Whew. I'm happy for this. Look at this. The flowers. The fruits, not flowers, the fruits are doing good. There is guy here. Let him say hi to you and tell you something about the tomato. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello guys.
What are you doing?
I'm doing stringing.
Oh,
yes,
it's called stringing, not supporting, eh?
I'm supporting our tomatoes. Yes.
See guys, how it is done. Yes. So he is doing his thing, supporting the tomatoes. You can see the strings. So how old are these for now?
Probably 2 months.
2 months.
2 months old.
Yes, I'm right, guys. Two months, that is 60 days. The remaining days for them to mature, to get ready, is only 30 days. We're gonna be here harvesting.
Making money.
Yes, making money. Let's go to the greenhouse now.
Okay.
Yes. We are going. I hope they are open. Huh?
Yes,
Okay, okay.
the first time over there.
The first one. Okay. You guys. Okay. What? Let me pass here. Let me pass here. Hey. Guys, when it's raining, we are in Kenya, Malindi. It's raining. So guys, here you can meet some snakes, so you be careful. Yes. When moving, be careful. Yes, you see my passion fruit is doing well. As I said last time, this is for my purposes. Yes. Woo. The greenhouses are many, you can see them. I don't know if I'm going to make it till the last one. They are almost 10. They got something inside. I'm already getting tired. Whew. Yes. Now we are here. Capsicum. Yes. As I said last time, the capsicum also takes 90 days. And now they are also 2 months, that is 60 days. And you can see they have started also. Let me show you. They have started to make fruits, you see. So by next month I gonna be making money. Yes, they are doing good. They don't grow that long, so they are okay. Whew. Getting tired. I'm getting tired, man. I'm sweating as well. It's very hot and raining at the same time. So let's go to the other greenhouse. The other greenhouse for capsicum. This one is very tightly closed. Look at this, guys. Let me see the next one. Or we move to the other farm there. Aish. Aish. It was a lizard, guys. Whew. I told you here you have to be careful. A big lizard. It scared me out. Whew. Mm. Let's see. Let's go to the watermelon. Watermelon. It's up there. Let's see. Ooh. Yes, here we got the watermelons. The farm is 1 acre. Up to there. They are still very young. The melons are very young. You see, they have started to grow. Look at this, guys. This is the melon. There are some guys there doing weeding. You can see there are some weeds. They are there. You can't see them, but when we go closer, we're gonna see them. Yes. They are doing weeding. Look, guys. Wow. This one very soon I'm gonna be also making money from them. Very soon. Very soon. They have only like 2 weeks. They are going to go like 2 months. So very soon I'm gonna be well. See what they have done. You can see here they have done the weeding. Yes. The guy is over there. Where is he? He's over there. Over there doing the weeding. Yes. The farm is so big, full of watermelons. Full of watermelon. Look, guys. And the weather is so favorable for them. It's raining. It's not raining heavily. They don't like too much of water, because for themselves they are watery. They have a lot of water, so they don't like a lot of water. The weather is so favorable for them. They are doing good. Yes, guys. I'm tired. I don't think that I'm gonna walk up to there. You can see the guy doing his thing. He's also very tired. I don't think that you will like the camera thing, but I'm loving the melons the way they are doing. I'm in love with this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my. Yes, guys. So for now we are not doing irrigation due to the rains. You can see the pipes also here. There are some pipes. And We are depending on the rains. When it is not raining, when it's dry, we use the drips and these ones here, sprinklers. Yes, let's see. We use the sprinklers. Here they are. This one does wonders, guys, when it is not raining. When you open here, it's like water everywhere. So guys, thank you for today, and please watch till the end. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. Subscribe please, like, share, and leave a comment if you got some ideas on farming. You can share. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a girl again, Monge001. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do gapping in our tomato garden. So there is a part where the tomatoes are not doing well. We have to do replanting. So please, before we start guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, you like, you share, and you leave a comment there. So let's start. These ones are from the nursery. You can see them, they are fresh from the nursery. So let's do the thing. Let's start. So here we have done, the water is flowing in from the drips. We have to skip three drips. So if I plant one here like this, we skip 1, 2, 3. We do here. That is 1 meter, approximately 1 meter, and the process goes like that. So guys, watch the video till the end. For the watch hours. For the watch hours. We have, the space is so big, so we have to do faster. We have to do it faster guys. So you see what I've done. We have to do for the rest of the place which has to be done the same. It's very big, like a 1/4 acre. plant with me, guys. Subscribe before I end the video. Subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Bye, guys.